Welcome back to Overheat. The luxurious 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Concept combines the style of Bugatti Hypercar with the comfort and functionality of a motorhome. Here is a detailed description based on the available material, luxury and design. Inside. It's luxurious. The inside is designed to look like a private plane and features high-end materials including carbon fiber, polished wood, and hand-stitched leather. It features a living area that serves as a master bedroom, a luxurious bathroom, and a fully furnished kitchen. Smart technology abounds in the cabin, including voice-activated lighting, entertainment, and climate control. Iconic exterior. The external design epitomizes the Bugatti flair with its aerodynamic lines and luxurious details, created with the same degree of accuracy as a long-distance Bugatti Hypercar. Features and technology. Smart technology. Integrated smart technology systems enable voice control for lighting, climate, and entertainment. Sustainability. Environmentally friendly features include solar panels and a state-of-the-art battery system that lessen their impact on the environment. Practicality. Innovative storage solutions to maximize the amount of space that is available. Secure travel with modern security procedures. Performance. This RV should function effectively over long distances, despite the fact that comfort and luxury are the top goals. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, which combines style and functionality, might also have the following fascinating features. Integrated Hypercar Garage. One of the most amazing features is undoubtedly the integrated garage that can accommodate a Bugatti Hypercar. With their Hypercar, owners will be able to explore new locations and travel in luxury. Adaptive suspension system. The motorhome might be equipped with a state-of-the-art adaptive suspension system that adjusts to the conditions of the road to deliver a smooth and pleasant ride. High-end entertainment system. A cutting-edge entertainment system with a large screen, surround sound,